Heavy machinery depends on precision components to operate efficiently, and one of the most crucial elements in diesel engines is the fuel injection pump. The original fuel injection pump compatible with NTC-290 engine 3,264,000 is designed to deliver the performance, reliability, and durability required for excavators and other industrial equipment. It is not just a replacement part, it is a carefully engineered solution that ensures the engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and consistently. Fuel injection pumps control the flow of fuel into the engine cylinders with precise timing and pressure. For diesel engines like the NTC-290, which power a wide range of heavy machinery, any deviation in fuel delivery can result in reduced performance, increased emissions, or even engine damage. Using a high-quality, OEM-compatible fuel injection pump ensures that fuel is delivered accurately, maintaining optimal combustion and engine efficiency. One of the key advantages of this pump is its engineering precision. Built to meet strict original equipment manufacturer standards, it guarantees seamless compatibility with the NTC-290 engine. There is no need for modifications or adjustments. This direct-fit design simplifies installation and reduces the risk of improper setup, which can lead to performance issues. For construction, mining, or industrial applications, this reliability is critical, as downtime due to engine problems can be extremely costly. Durability is a central feature of this fuel injection pump. Manufactured from high-strength materials, it withstands high temperatures, dust, and continuous operation. The pump maintains consistent fuel pressure, ensuring that the engine runs efficiently, reduces wear on other components, and prevents issues like rough idling, uneven power output, or increased smoke emissions. Proper fuel delivery ensures smoother operation and improved fuel efficiency, which is especially important for machinery operating under heavy loads for extended periods. Fuel timing is another essential factor affected by the injection pump. Accurate timing of fuel delivery ensures optimal combustion, which translates into better power output, lower fuel consumption, and reduced emissions. A properly functioning pump reduces the strain on pistons, valves, and other critical engine components, increasing overall engine longevity and performance. In heavy-duty operations, maintenance and reliability are crucial. A high-quality fuel injection pump reduces the likelihood of unexpected failures, minimizing downtime and maintenance costs. It allows machinery to operate at full capacity even under challenging conditions. By ensuring consistent fuel delivery and precise timing, this pump contributes to long-term operational efficiency, helping businesses maintain productivity without interruptions. Compatibility is a major concern when sourcing replacement parts. The original fuel injection pump is specifically designed for NTC-290 engines, providing a perfect fit and reliable performance. Unlike generic alternatives, it guarantees consistent operation, preserves engine health, and prevents costly repairs or adjustments. Choosing an OEM-compatible component ensures that the engine functions as intended, providing peace of mind and protecting the value of the machinery. Performance improvements with this pump are noticeable immediately. Engines experience smoother operation, improved fuel efficiency, and consistent power output. Starting performance is enhanced, smoke emissions are reduced, and overall engine response becomes more predictable. For heavy machinery that operates continuously, these benefits translate to fewer operational issues and increased productivity. Installation of this pump is straightforward. Its direct-fit design ensures that it integrates seamlessly into the existing fuel system. Clear guidelines make the process simple, whether handled by professional technicians or experienced operators. Proper installation ensures immediate performance improvements, reducing downtime and increasing operational efficiency. In addition to performance, this fuel injection pump plays a key role in emission control. Accurate fuel delivery ensures complete combustion, reducing unburned fuel, smoke, and carbon buildup. This contributes to compliance with environmental regulations and protects the engine from long-term damage, further extending its lifespan. Investing in a high-quality fuel injection pump is a smart choice. While aftermarket or low-quality alternatives may seem cheaper, they often result in early failures, increased maintenance costs, and reduced engine performance. The original fuel injection pump provides a cost-effective solution over the long term by delivering consistent performance, reliability, and durability. Its robust construction and precision engineering make it a dependable choice for all industrial applications. This pump is particularly valuable for operators managing fleets or machinery in demanding environments. By ensuring consistent fuel delivery, it minimizes unexpected engine issues, allowing operators to focus on productivity rather than repairs. Over time, This results in lower fuel consumption, smoother engine operation, reduced emissions, and extended engine life. The design of this fuel injection pump is optimized for the NTC-290 engine. High precision manufacturing, durable materials,